Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sync. In this video, we are going to tell the latest interview questions from 28th April 2015. Also, we will be saying important updates that you need to know and why interview is not joining. We will giving you a solution for that. So let's start with the candidate one. The questions are self-introduction, program to find the largest word in a string and print the word count. About normalization, join and union, about the skills you learned during your college days, and are you willing to relocate, willing to work in shift like night and day, and that's it. It is for cluster 1 students. Now seeing for cluster 3, the questions are like self introduction, situational and conditional questions like if you are in a situation like this, what would you do? Third question is technical round. Start with confirmation, can you move to the technical part? So he said yes. Now let's start with the coding question like fig bus program with three condition, you implemented two correctly and third was missed, and SQL query asked to write a query, you wrote it successfully. And the sixth one is database concept like what are the primary keys, five question total related to this. Now for the third candidate, mainly reverse a string using loop, also without using built-in function. We have to solve this question two times. Now for SQL like operation between max group, if I employees name are capitals, how you can write code. Now the last question was, are you normal, just random questions on SQL update, delete, operations, and what is HTML, CSS and JS, why all these. Now for the last candidate, we will be seeing it is basically on cluster 3. He asked the introduction, asking question from hobbies, C sharp basics, what qualities you will check me to clear the interview, and create a database, insert records from the table, and you have to print 1 to 15 with the conditions like print the number divisible by 3 and 5, and for the rest you have to print invalid. This is the all the very important questions that you need to prepare for upcoming interview. Now why interview is not joining? Because interview are not able to conduct every interview, so they are giving some mails, so you can send them mail by this link I will be sharing in the description, so you can raise a ticket which will help you to reschedule your interview again. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have anything, just join our telegram channel and tell me there. Thanks for watching this video.